Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are well. I am Asim Aslamuddin Ahmed, lecturer of English, Sharanpur High School and College. Today we will discuss about the determiners. So how can we understand that? The determiner can help us to develop our sentences, and it can make the complete the informative sentences to developing our qualified sentences. It is essential for a SSC or BCS or different exams. It can help you to know the sentences very well and well decorated, and also more attractively. Okay, so now don't waste our time, let's go to start. Firstly, we'll see that articles. For example, articles, we know that A and D. So these are the articles. Actually these articles, these three words, but actually in the parts of speech, do you know what is the name of these parts of speech? So I know that you know it. For example, she draws a picture. So this part, what is the name of this part? Is it the article? Yes. Generally you can say that A and D, these are the articles. But actually, what is the name of the parts of speech? So we know that if it is the noun, there must be a name of something. For example, Mr. Rahim, Karim, etc. These are the name. But it is not a name. Next one, the pronoun. We know that against a woman we are using a pronoun she. For example, Mina. Generally you can say, no problem. So against this Mina we can use this pronoun. But verb draws, because it is the action. But what is this part? So this part is modified this word. This is the noun. So an adjective, this part. Why? Because this is the number of a noun. How many pictures? One picture. So here we can say that A is an article, but it works as an adjective because this is the quality quantity of a noun or pronoun. Okay, so for this reason we can say here this is the number. How many? One. So for this reason this is the adjective of this word because it modifies this picture. We can say here she draws the picture of C. So C is although countable nouns, no problem, but we can use here uncountable here the picture of C. So সে একটা সমুদ্রের ছবি আঁকছে. So in this case we can say that Akim. In this case this part is called article, but it is modifying this word. So this is noun and this word is modifying this word. For this reason this is the determiner. So this word is also determiner, and in this way we can say she cooks an egg. So here is also same. So this is modifying this noun. So if a word modifies the noun or pronoun, it is called the adjective. So we can say this part is called adjective. For this reason generally these three words are called articles, but this part is here, the parts of speech, it is working as an adjective. I hope you can understand it. This, that. Okay, these types of on the singular and these. this is the plural, but this is the near, this marker, okay, this mobile phone, this board. So this is the near, but singular, this is singular. But these markers, these people, okay, these students, these teachers, okay, so these are the plural form, and this one is singular form. So here these boys are intelligent. Intelligent. So here this is modifying this word noun. So this is noun, but this word is modifying this noun. For this reason, this is called determiner. So what types of determiner? Demonstrative determiner. I hope that it is understand for you. And that this is also long distance. OIT, dureta. But OI gulo those. So singular, that boy is intelligent. So that is also, this one is modified. This is modified, but we are saying that this is determiners also, because it is modifying this word. এটা নির্দেশ করছে এই নাউনটাকে. For this reason we can say this is determiner, and this determiner is called demonstrative determiner. I hope it is easy for you. Next one, possessive. What are the possessives? We know that the possessive case, okay, for example সম্বন্ধ কারো. So this possessive case can help you to develop your sentences as a determiner. How? For example, this, or you can say there, are, your, his, our, etc. For example, their pen is blue, her shirt is wonderful. Okay, your car is expensive. His house is large. Our school is famous. So this part is modifying this word. So this one is noun. All, this. So alls are noun, but this word is what? This is the adjective. What types of adjective? This is comes from the possessive case. So case, we know that what is the Bangla meaning of this case? Karo. So সম্বন্ধ কারো. So in this way we can say that this word is helps us to develop, to modify this word. So our, if we did not write down this part, our is famous. Is it possible to give the meaning of the complete sense of this sentence? No, it is not possible. For this reason, our is adjective. So this word is modified this another noun. So we can say this word is adjective, and this is comes from the case, possessive case. For this reason, all these are same way modifies the another noun. So if the noun is modified by another word, it is adjective most. So in this sentence, all these are adjectives. So these are the possessive case. For this reason, you can say this is the modifier and possessive modifier. So this is determiner. Okay, whereas we know that this is the numbers. For example, 2, 3, 4, etc. No problem. How? For example, I bought 2 pens. So this is the noun, and this one is modifying this word. This is the noun and it is modifying how many pens? 2 pens. So for this reason 2 is modifying this noun. So we can say that this word is modifying this word. So noun is modifying by adjective. So this is the number. So number, it is also the determiner. Okay. So this one is determiner and it is modifying this word. So numeral or number, these are the also modifying this noun. Each, next one, any, no, every, each, either, neither, few, little, many, much, etc. No problem. Etc. So this quantifiers, it gives the quantity, the measurement of a noun or pronoun. How? For example, all people are equal, but some are more. So Jonathan Swift is the great satirist. So the speech of him is very much valuable. So in this sentence, what happened? This is the noun and this part is quantifiers in this way. So it is noun, it is modifying by this word, okay, or this all, it is modifying these people. So here we can say that this is the determiner. So if the adjective, it is working to modify the noun or pronoun, then the word or the adjective is called the modifier. So this is the determiner. So modifier and determiner is very much similar. Next one, sum. So we are saying that sum, what is this? Actually this is also the quantifier. Here there is the word which is omitted. So here people is omitted. So here is people is omitted. So some people. So some is modifying the word people. So we can say that this is the determiner, okay, and it modifies this word. So it modifies this people. For this reason, this is the determiner. This one is also determiners, okay. Several men are injured in the accident. So several and men, this is the noun and this part is modifying this word. How many people? Several people, okay. So in this case we can say that this word is modifying this word. For this reason we can say this is the determiner, okay. Actually this is the adjective of this noun. For example, how many people? Several people. So it is giving the quantity or number of a man. So here the word is indicating by this word. So we can say that this several, this is the noun, and finally we can say this is the determiner. So it is modifying this word, so it is called determiner. The glass, okay. For example, we can say that there is little water here. The little water is here. For this reason we can say that there is little water. So this is the noun this one is also noun, but little and this little both are indicating the noun of this and this. For this reason, this is modifying this word and this is also modifying this word. So this is the determiner. So we can say that in this way the indicating or this word is modifying this word. So this is the noun and this is the adjective. This is also adjective. What types of adjective? Adjective of quantity. So the measurement. So here the water is giving us the meaning. Pens. Here no. So this is also the modifier. Why? Because this determiner is modifying this word noun. So in this case, how many pens? No pens. So this is the giving the number, that is the number of the pens, how many. So this is the measurement, but it is not clear that how many actually, 1 2 3 4 5, but it is giving that more than 2, sorry, more than 1. It may be 2 3 4 etc, no problem, any numbers it may be. So the speaker, that is I, is saying that I have no pens. It means that he has no pens. Actually 1 2 4, no pens. So this is the giving of the meaning, is that this is the number of the pen. So this word is modifying this word. So we can say that তার কাছে কোনো কলমই নেই, তার মানে একটাও নেই, এটা বোঝাতে একটা সংখ্যা বোঝাচ্ছে। ফর দিস রিজন দিস ইজ কল্ড দ্য ডিটারমিনার। Here his advice, so this is the noun and this word is modifying this noun, so this is the determiner. For this reason we can say that this word is modifying this noun, so it is called the adjective. So we know that personal adjective because it is coming from the personal case or possessive case. We know that there are three types of case: nominative or subjective case, objective, and another one is possessive case. So this one is the Sambandha Karok. So this is modifying this word. I hope that it is easy for you. And this is called adjective. So it is modifying this word. So this is determiner. Okay. It is the noun. So if it is noun and this word is modifying this word, so this is called adjective. So it is also the determiner. Another one is that this is also adjective because this is the number of the river. How many rivers? A river. How? B. So this is also modified. This is also adjective. So both are modifying this word. So this is also two determiners. Another one is, so 1 2 3 3 modifiers. Father had not yet come. What happened actually? This one is subject, had, and negative, not, and come. This one is verb, and this one is what? This is the noun. So had, this is the auxiliary, not is also negative, but yet this part is what? So this part is adverb, and this one is also verb, auxiliary verb, and this is the adverb also. Actually modifier, where is the modifier here in this sentence? So actually in this sentence we can see the word father, it is also modifying. This is also determiner. How? For example, here the father has not come. So come and have, this is the interrelated. Okay, so this word is modifying this word by this word. Father had not yet come home. So in this sense, that is another way. So we can say that this is the sent. Thank you. If you like it, comment, share. Thank you.